When it comes to boosting your home's value, many homeowners focus on large-scale renovations like kitchen remodels or adding an extra bathroom. However, sometimes the most effective updates are those that are simple, cost-effective, and offer immediate curb appeal. One of the easiest and most impactful improvements you can make to your Lexington home is replacing your front door. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enhance your home's appearance, a new door can offer significant benefits that increase your property value. First impressions matter. Your front door is the first thing people see when they approach your home. It sets the tone for the rest of the property, and a well-maintained, stylish door can create a lasting positive impression. A door that is worn out or outdated, on the other hand, can signal neglect and make the rest of your home appear less appealing. In Lexington, where homes often reflect the charm and character of the area, an eye-catching front door can help differentiate your home in a competitive real estate market. A new door can also improve the aesthetic appeal of your entryway. Many modern door designs feature clean lines, high-quality materials, and sleek hardware that align with current trends. Whether you choose a bold, statement-making door or something more classic and understated, a fresh entrance can elevate your home's curb appeal and make it more inviting to potential buyers. Boosts energy efficiency. In addition to aesthetics, a new door can have practical benefits. Over time, doors can become drafty, especially if they are older or not properly sealed. This can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. Replacing an old door with a modern, energy-efficient model can significantly reduce drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures. Many newer doors are designed with insulating materials and energy-efficient glass, which not only keeps your home more comfortable but can also contribute to long-term savings on your utility bills. For buyers in Lexington, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, energy-efficient features are highly appealing. A well-insulated door can be a major selling point for those looking to lower their energy costs and make their home more sustainable. Increased security and safety. A new door can also provide enhanced security for your home. Older doors may be more susceptible to wear and tear, making them easier to break into. A newer, solidly built door with modern locking systems will provide an added layer of security, which is a top priority for many homebuyers. Lexington homeowners understand the importance of safety, especially in a community that values peace and quiet. A strong, secure front door can offer peace of mind to you and potential buyers. Many newer doors are made from durable materials such as steel or fiberglass, which are not only more secure but also resistant to weathering, ensuring they stand the test of time. Adds to home's marketability. In the competitive Lexington real estate market, standing out is crucial. A home that has an inviting, well-maintained front door is more likely to catch the eye of prospective buyers. It may even be the deciding factor for someone choosing between multiple homes. A new door can help your listing make a strong first impression and encourage potential buyers to take a closer look at the rest of your property. Additionally, buyers are increasingly looking for homes that require little to no work upon move-in. By investing in a new door, you demonstrate that you've taken care of the property and have made efforts to ensure it is in top condition. This can help justify a higher asking price and may even lead to a faster sale. Conclusion: replacing your front door is a simple yet effective way to increase your Lexington home's value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your living experience, a new door can provide a variety of benefits. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to boosting security and marketability, the impact of a new front door extends far beyond its initial cost. With its combination of beauty, functionality, and value, a new door is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make to your home.